News, my lovely, wonderful people. Justice cries out. The people have lost confidence in the judiciary system. Receipt for anarchy, says Justice Toshowo. He says he's worried that even the Supreme Court is really worried that there should be no anarchy. He said because the people have lost confidence, and you're not alone in the judiciary system, and he's expressing worry because CJN has fixed 23rd Monday to hear Peter Obi's case. But this justice is expressing worry over, Nigerians because they feel that they've been cheated and their position has been taken. A lot of people are not confident. In case you're not aware, this is the new headline by Tribune. The justice have made it clear to Nigerians that nobody should be expecting that they will admit forgery, certificate forgery with regards to Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu in court, that is not their jurisdiction. And I'm wondering, it is part of the accusation that they brought that Tinubu in the first place was not qualified to run in the election. That was the accusation, that Tinubu is not qualified because he forged his certificate. The Presidential Election Tribunal says Atiku has no evidence. As soon as that court case was over, he pursued it. He went all the way to the US, pursued it, and remember, it's not cheap. Money night and pay. Pursued it hard to ensure that he gets Chicago State University to release the result and to tell Nigerians that. And Chicago State University registrar, when he was given a testimony in court under oath, said, and I quote, I cannot, we do not know this result that Tinubu presented to INEC. This is not my words. This is his words. What do you call? Repeated speech. He said, we do not know. Now, the Supreme Court, the very basis of Atiku's case, Supreme Court says it will not entertain it. You can see it there. In one of the pictures, you can see there. You can see there that they do not entertain this. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. I'm afraid of what may happen in the Supreme Court. Nigerians have lost confidence in the judiciary system. Receipt for anarchy, says Justice Tsoho. The Chief Justice, Federal High Court, Honorable Justice John Tsoho, has said that Nigerians have lost confidence in the judiciary, and this is a receipt for anarchy. With the Supreme Court case coming up, we don't know what will follow. He urged judges to be seriously guarded against delay in dispensation of justice to avoid such, as Nigerians are high up, ready to do anything for the justice they seek. Justice John said this on Thursday in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State Capital, while delivering his keynote address at the 2023 sensitization sermon organized by Nigerian Disposed Insurance Corporation for Federal High Court judges. It is significant to emphasize that when a bank fails, it takes a large part of the economy with it. The collapse of institutions could cause money supply to drop, leading to a rise in unemployment. Loss of confidence by Nigerians in the judiciary system is a receipt for anarchy. Strengthening disposition, confidence in bank and other financial institutions. This will speedily lead to a deterioration of society. Justice by the common man, for the common man, remain a vital part to ensure stability. In order for us to do the right thing, I encourage all the Supreme Court justice to do right by the people. We must guard ourselves and walk on the path of truth. Justice John Tsoho further said the importance of the sermon for justice of the Federal High Court on disposition of truth must not be overemphasized or underestimated. We must work within the deadline and do not procrastinate on delivering judgment. So this is what is happening. The judge looked at the whole thing and says, that's him there. You can see him. He says, I am really worried. He said he's very worried with regards to, you know, what may follow the Supreme Court issue. He said he's quite worried. He said because as it stands at the moment, Nigerians have lost confidence totally, completely. They've lost confidence in the judiciary system. He says so. This is a recipe and a ticket for anarchy, and he knows this very well, and is just pleading with Nigerians that everybody, especially the justice system, they will sit tight and ensure that truth becomes the watchword. So nobody should sit back there and pretend not to see all that is happening. Nigerians have sincerely, truly lost confidence in the judiciary system. And so it becomes expedient that we all look at these things very carefully and ensure that we do all that is right. Okay? So we do all that is right and needed to ensure, that we rise up to the occasion and we do not leave these things to chance. Okay, so this is what is going on. This is what is happening, and every single one of us, okay, must do everything we can. Wake up, my people! It's the dawn of a new day. The justice system of Nigeria is seriously failing the people. It's failing Nigerians, and the people do not have confidence. And you will not blame them for having no confidence in the judiciary system. It's not their fault. It's not their fault. So everybody must ensure that we rise up and we do everything humanly speaking possible. Okay, so it is important. It is important that we do not neglect the fact that we have a part to play. So if you must speak up, please speak up. Let's not just all be silent and feel that all is well. So it is important. My people, we must now rise up. We must now ensure, okay? We must now ensure that we do everything humanly speaking possible, okay? And ensure that we rise up and we live in the right way, in the right order to bring this nation to the right place. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Bye for now.